In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Google Calendar to N8N. So let's go ahead and jump right in. So go ahead and go to console.cloud.google.com/welcome. I will leave a link down in the description below. Next, we're going to type in Google Calendar, and we're going to select the Google Calendar API. We're going to click Enable. All right, now that it's enabled, let's go ahead and go to the OAuth consent screen. Now, I've already done this, but I'm going to show you how it looks. You're going to put an app name. You're going to put a support email. The logo is not required. Then you're going to put an authorized domain. Now, this is the domain that you're hosting your N8N server on. You're going to put the developer contact information. And then after that, you're going to add or remove scopes. I always add them all by default. And then click Save and Continue. And you are good to go with that. Next, we're going to go over to credentials, and we're going to go ahead and create a new OAuth 2.0 credential. We're going to select web application. We're going to give it a name. All right, now under the authorized redirect URIs, we need to add the link to the N8N. So let's go back to N8N. Let's go ahead and add a Google Calendar. Get availability on the calendar. Let's create a new credential. Let's copy the URL, and then we'll go back here and we'll add it right here. Paste that baby in, click create. Beautiful. Now it's going to give you a client ID and a client secret. So go ahead and copy the ID. Let's put that in. Let's copy the secret. Let's put that in too. And now let's click sign in with Google. And you have to make sure that you pick the same account that you used to sign up for this, okay? All right, now go ahead and click allow. And it looks like we're connected successfully. Now that you have your Google Calendar connected, it's time to level up your automation skills by watching my video on the top 10 tips and tricks for N8N. So be sure to check that out, and I'll see you guys next time.